Good evening and welcome to the 2012 Olympic Games. This is Jim Jacob, that's Samuel Johnson, and we'll be bringing you all the action live throughout the night. Johnson, good evening. This is the most exciting night of the Olympic Games, isn't it?
Yes, tonight we have the marathon. I can't wait for it to start.
Yeah, the top athletes in the world, all of them, and all of them competing to see who is going to win that all-important gold medal.
Yes, that's right. Oh, look, the athletes are about to warm up. Let us introduce them.
Yes, this is Jessica Rhodes. Jessica Rhodes happens to be the #1 athlete in the world and also holds the world record currently. An amazing 2 hours, 3 minutes and 47 seconds. It's awesome, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
Wow. Oh, is that Martha Stewart I see? Oh yes, that is Martha Stewart. Martha is one of the biggest surprises of the year. She's one of the best young runners available, and she's going to give Jessica some stiff Uh-oh. I think they're staring at each other if I'm not wrong. Oh boy. And here's Kristen Johnson, ladies and gentlemen. This is the world #2. But Johnson, do you think she can win?
No, I don't think so. I think Jessica or Martha will win.
Yeah, that's pretty much, I guess. Well, ladies and gentlemen, one of the most important things before a race is to warm up. And let's see how these amazing athletes go ahead and warm up. Oh, they're starting with relaxing the muscles. First the head, then the neck. Ah, and here come the shoulders. And are they actually jogging? Oh, they're stretching. They're stretching, pulling. Ow. Wow. Johnson, I guess it's time for the race, right?
Yes.
Well, let's start. Runners, take your positions. On your mark. Set.
Wait, who's that? Who's that?
Who's what? Where? Who is this guy and what in the world is he doing? Oh my God, he's in black and he doesn't have a number.
Yes, it says destruction instead of a number, and he has got 2 others with him.
Oh my God, wonder how he is and what he's going to do in the race. And the race is about to begin and the athletes start. Oh, that's a false start. That is frustrating. Wow, wonder what the new guy is doing. He's looking at them, observing them, and doing something specific. You know what I'm going to... Johnson, I think that guy's saying some stuff. Let's just start the race, right?
Yes, I think so. I think the race is about to start again.
Wow, exciting athlete. Anyway, runners, take your positions. On your mark, set, and the race begins. And quickly we have Jessica taking a huge lead. If she keeps running like this, there's no doubt she's going to win, isn't she?
Yes, yeah.
Uh-oh. Who's this guy behind her and what's he doing there? Jessica. Who's calling? Who's calling? Jessica, it's me. I have a gold chain for you. It's a lot better than that gold medal out there. You don't need that. Well, I've got not one chain, but a lot. How many do you want? Oh, looks good. Okay, give it to me. Hey, what are you doing? Let me go. You said to give me chains. Jessica. I said I'll give you chains. I didn't say what type it was. Johnson, wow. I think we just lost Jessica, the favorite for the race. Unbelievable, isn't it?
Yes, unbelievable, isn't it? Look, now Jessica has gone. Martha has taken the lead.
Yeah, Martha has taken a huge lead. And she's in front. Oh, not again. Here's this mysterious guy all over again. Now he's talking to Martha. Martha. Hello, Martha. Martha. Martha, look. There's Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan working out. Oh, wow. Hrithik Roshan. Isn't he look good? Well, yeah, but just take one look, Martha. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Hey, let me. Oh my God, somebody get security out here. This guy's stealing all our runners. Security. I think I better go get this reporter and shut his mouth up first.
Jim, careful, careful.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Don't worry about that.
Well, looks like only Kristen is left.
Yes, the girl we thought who could not win. But can she avoid this mysterious man called distractions? We shall see.
She looks tired, but she can see the finish line far off in the distance.
Surprise, surprise. Look who's here behind. Mr. Distractions. Hello, Kristen. Do you want some water? Aren't you thirsty? Stop, drink, and then go. Look, here's some water. Ah, Kristen, I've got a gold chain for you. Beautiful, worth crores of rupees. Don't you want it? Listen to me, will you?
Look, Jim, Kristen is not getting distracted. Maybe she will win this race.
You're right, I think she could win this. Oh, what do I do about this? I've tried everything, but this girl is not getting distracted. Oh yeah, I know. Hrithik, come here. Hrithik, let's see some muscles of yours. Oh yeah. Kristen, take a look at that right. Look at those biceps. Don't you want those biceps? Don't you want those biceps? Oh, Hrithik Roshan looking at you and you're not bothered.
Jim, look, Mr. Distractions has tried everything and has failed.
And he's trying to drag Kristen away now. He's trying to, but he's not able to.
Look, what is he doing now? He and his followers are trying to drag Kristen away.
But she's so close to the finish line. She's so close. So close. Come on, Kristen, come on. Go,
Yes, come on. Kristen, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kristen Johnson is the Olympic champion. Oh, yeah.
Look, she's not stopping.
But where's she going? Isn't that Jesus? Isn't that? Wow. And what's he doing?
He's taking out the crown and placing it on her head.
Yes, he is. Wow. Oh, my God. What a race, isn't it, Johnson?
I know. This has been one of the most interesting races I have ever seen.
Can you believe that Kristen Johnson, the underdog, actually wins, beating Jessica Rhodes and Martha Stewart? Wow.
Distracting for the other two, but they got distracted by other things.
Absolutely. I mean, Jessica was distracted by wealth. Martha was distracted by a relationship. Well, Hrithik Roshan's a very good-looking guy. I get that. But then, she still can't get distracted, right?
But Katina ran the race till the end. She did not look to the left or right or
Absolutely.
get influenced by Mr. Distraction.
I mean, who is this guy, Mr. Distractions, by the way? I mean, what's his problem?
Yeah, I don't know. Just come.
Oh, Johnson, I think we better get off stage and now. Oh! Oh! She got away! She got away! How could I let her get away? Maybe I'll come down and take one of you. Maybe you in the crowd on the left. Maybe you on the right. Oh yeah. But let me deal with something else first. Where are the other two I captured? Bring them to me now. I said now. Hello there. I'm not Mr. Distractions. I happen to be someone very close to all of you. I happen to be the devil. And I am going to torture you the rest of your life. Torture you now and now. Torture you now. But what's going on behind them? What's going on behind them? Oh my God. Oh, wow.